I thought it would be fun to tell you a little bit about my very first escrow. I got my real estate license on 9/11 of 2001, and we all wait for our very first escrow. And on December 31st, I got a call from an elderly woman named Barbra. She wanted to go see a mobile home up in Santa Rosa. I was all for it. She says, "Oh, never mind, it's raining out and it's New Year's Eve." And I said, "Let's go for it. We're not gonna melt." She laughed and said, "Okay, I'll meet you there." So off I went to meet her. She fell in love with the home. I wrote my very first offer and it got accepted within 24 hours. I felt like I had hit a grand slam. Escrow closed. Her and I became fast friends. My husband, Tori, did a lot of odd jobs for her. I found out she was a massage therapist, so she gave me tons of massages, and we all stayed connected. The three of us would go out to dinner every now and then. We stayed in touch for many, many years, and one day after she got older, I called and her phone number had been disconnected. I found out through a neighbor that she had been put into a nursing home in Novato, and I tried to reach her, but I was never able to. I was told she had dementia. She passed away, but I can't tell you, all these years later, I will never forget the most amazing feeling I felt when that offer got accepted. Several people in the office told me not to bother, that mobile homes don't pay a lot of money, and it wasn't worth my time. But to make a friend like that, it was incredible. And 400 escrows later, I still get that same euphoric feeling every time I get an offer accepted. It's just a feeling that nobody can understand unless you're a realtor. So Barbra, I'm thinking of you. I love you and miss you. And I'm so glad we went out in the pouring rain that day to see that mobile home.